Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Didi, and I am actually going to do a live on Facebook. I usually do lives on Facebook often because I do kitchen manners videos as well as healthy tip videos on my Didi's international page, and now I'm going to go live on my Caribbean page to talk about de-stressing tips. So I'm just going to pre-record you while I'm going on live because usually you need to get a lot more subscribers and followers to go live on YouTube. So I'm just gonna record it as well as go live on my phone on Facebook. So thanks for joining me, and stay tuned because I think I want to do more videos like these because I enjoy them and I go live on Facebook anyway. So why not share the information that I'm sharing on Facebook with you guys on YouTube? So I'm gonna click and we're gonna get started. Thanks for joining me, guys. Stay tuned. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? It's officially lunchtime and I hope you guys are having a fantastic lunch today. If you guys don't already know, it's your girl Didi, and I am your dietitian, nutritionist, and healthcare professional. I'm actually going to be doing some de-stressing tips for the Caribbean islanders, my fellow Caribbean islanders. I am in Trinidad. You can comment down below where you are around the world or around the Caribbean islands. Because honestly, right now with the whole COVID situation, I do think that there's a lot of stress out there, and if you are in lockdown, that can actually add to stress as well. So it is honestly very important to make sure and de-stress or do something fun, do something that you enjoy to help you manage those stress levels that you have throughout your day. Because yes, in the Caribbean islands we live where people vacation, but right now there is limited vacation time and a lot of people are not vacationing because of COVID, which is very serious and it's taking a lot of lives. So you guys, please practice safe methods. Wear your mask, make sure and sanitize wherever you go. And for today's de-stressing tip, it is to meditate. And I want you guys to understand that meditation is a vital part of life. It can actually help to clear out your mind and help you to feel relaxed when you meditate. There are so many different YouTube meditation videos that you can watch, and it's basically just listening to a voice and going through different breathing techniques, as well as focusing on something else other than whatever stress that you went through during the day. So meditation is very important, and I will link some meditation tips in the description. I do have a meditation link that's just a 5-minute meditation routine that you can try, because honestly with stress and with stress levels increasing in your body, it's going to have a negative impact on your overall health and well-being, and it can increase your risk for chronic diseases like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, stuff like that, and make your body composition change in a bad way, and you may put on body fat and body weight. I mean, have you guys noticed that during lockdown your body fat increased and your body weight increased, and that's not really the best thing to do at this point. But during lockdown time, definitely try the meditation and see if it works. Comment down below and let me know if it works for you. But remember, I'm a healthcare professional and I studied in my BSc in Trinidad and my diploma in Trinidad, and then I went to Jamaica to do my master's in nutrition. So I am a qualified healthcare professional and I can help you guys with your chronic diseases. Right now I'm doing virtual consultations, so around the world, internationally, I do have experience, and I am working with persons to help them overcome whatever health issues they have through lifestyle changes, because that's what I'm all about. I'm all about promoting health through lifestyle changes and being a support system and helping persons to better manage their condition in that way. So remember, health is wealth, and right now during this time you really want to try to practice de-stressing techniques. So try the meditation, and next week I will come up with another tip to help you guys manage your stress levels, but really understand that stress is basically one of the silent killers. So it can impact your body in a negative way, and it can actually make you gain body fat. So if you guys ever meditated before and you realize that it had a positive impact on your life, it improved your energy, it improved your mental state and your mental well-being, then you should probably include it in your life as often as you want to, and you could meditate for hours or minutes. It's really up to you what you prefer. So remember, Didi's Nutrition Consultancy is available. I do have 3 programs right now. The first is a weight loss called Shape Me Didi, and it's basically using lifestyle changes to help persons achieve their weight loss goal. So it's healthy cooking, exercising, nutrition counseling, and the grocery shopping too. So with my programs, the aim is 1 or 2 pounds healthy weight loss every week. I don't do restrictive diets, I don't do fast weight loss gimmicks, and I definitely don't promote any pills or supplements or products, anything like that. It's all about working with you and helping you to achieve your goal in a healthy way, and by the end of the day you're gonna feel happy, and within the first week you're gonna feel such a positive difference. And that's what I get most of the times with my clients, and they're so happy with the results that they see. So message me on any social media. I also have Beat the Sweet with Didi, and that's more of an educational program, and that's to educate and empower persons who have uncontrolled blood sugar levels to better manage their condition through lifestyle changes. And that one is a 3-session program, and I do have a general package for persons with chronic diseases. So if you're interested, you can message me, you can reach out to me on any social media, and I will respond to you. I also have a business number, and I will link that in the description before I go. So just try really hard, guys, to do at least one fun activity to help you guys to de-stress at some point during the day, because stress can be a silent killer and it can affect your health really badly. You may not think about it too much, but honestly throughout the day you really need to do something fun, something to make you laugh. Or you can meditate. Meditation before sleep or in the evening time or at night really cleans out your mind and really puts you in a better state for rest, and you get that peaceful sleep, which is important because we all need to sleep. We are human. Alright guys, so thanks for joining me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. And I'm finished. So remember guys, health is wealth, and if you're interested in any of my services, I do have international clients and I can help you guys with your health goal. Thanks for joining me. Bye.